I often dream of a future where humans have spread beyond Earth, and Mars is our first stop. But how do we get there? How do we survive on a planet that seems determined to kill us? Well, let's take a closer look at how we could colonize Mars, step by step. It's a journey that will push the limits of human ingenuity and teamwork, but the payoff could be nothing short of extraordinary. The truth is, before we can even think about sending humans to Mars, we need to know what we're dealing with. That's where unmanned missions come in. Once we've gathered enough data, it's time for the next big step: establishing permanent habitats. But we can't just ship fully built houses to Mars. The logistics would be a nightmare. Instead, we'll use modular construction techniques. Imagine giant, inflatable structures that can be easily transported and then filled with breathable air once they're on the surface. We'll need to set up systems for power generation, probably using a combination of solar panels and nuclear reactors. And of course, we can't forget about food production. Hydroponic gardens will be essential for providing fresh vegetables and recycling our air and water. Now, let's face it, Mars isn't exactly rolling out the welcome mat for us. The planet presents some serious challenges that we'll need to overcome. First up is radiation. Mars lacks a magnetic field like Earth's, so cosmic rays and solar radiation are a constant threat. We'll need to develop advanced shielding technologies, maybe even incorporating the Martian soil itself into our habitat walls for extra protection. Then there's the little issue of breathing. Mars's atmosphere is thin and mostly carbon dioxide, so we'll need to generate our own oxygen. We can do this by splitting water molecules or by using specialized algae that can photosynthesize in Martian conditions. And don't even get me started on the extreme temperatures. We'll need robust heating and cooling systems to keep our habitats comfortable. As we overcome these challenges one by one, our Mars colony will grow from a fragile outpost to a thriving, self-sustaining community. It showcases human ingenuity, teamwork, and our relentless drive to explore. Who knows? Maybe one day, we'll look up at the night sky from the surface of Mars and see Earth as just another point of light. The birthplace of a species that dared to reach for the stars.